good? What it do, YouTube? Day after Kendrick. On my way to the test shoot location, headed to the studio. Was supposed to shoot yesterday, got pushed back to today. Yeah, it's Friday. This is my last couple days here. Gotta make the most of it. Yeah, I haven't even eaten yet. I'm hungry as crap. I woke up like 3 times. I said like fucking 4 a.m. or something. Then again at like 6. Then again around like 10 and 11. Then also got some pictures back from the runway show that I did for Baldasarini in Florence. And Jones is fire. Got the Vogue runway pictures. Now I can post on Instagram. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for so long to get these pictures back, but it was worth it. We're at the location and starting to sweat. Called her, texted her, she said, give me 1 second, I'll be right back. So I'm like, all right.
Okay, then see. It's from here.
20 minutes. All done. All right, and just like that, the shoot is over. As y'all see, my hair is a bit different. It's how I usually have it now. She was like, is that how you normally keep your hair? I was like, nah, I usually just have it down. I just did this for the shoot. And she was like, okay. So she just wanted to go for like a more natural look, natural movement, flashing my locks all over the place. But it was nice, quick and easy peasy, 20-minute test shoot. She knew exactly what she was looking for. She told me what to do and we captured it. And she was like, all right, bet, we're done. That's it. She got the shot. I was like, that's it, we're done, no more. I was like, all right, cool. Easy peasy, I like that. But no, what's still crazy is I really saw Kendrick freaking Lamar in Milan. Like, that's so random. Who would have ever thought? And this is like before the US tour even started. He on his European tour. He did a spoken word at the Fendi fashion show yesterday morning. And then I guess he caught a jet to Milan, hopped on stage, performed for us, put on a great show. It was just amazing. Like, it was so lit. I mean, literally in Italy. Like, who would have thought? Definitely a what is life moment. Like, I turned to Rod so many times just looking around. I'm like, yo, this don't feel real. This does not feel real. But hey, man, we are in Milan. Expect the unexpected here for sure. Should have stayed at the crib. You see how everyone is leaving this area? But you just don't care. You just want to go into the store. Yeah, no, I'm going to the crib. I can't catch that. I'm 3 down here.